it will help in many ways, because PhD department alone cannot, convince the people there out there. But if DCs are involved, BDOs are involved, state missionaries are involved, we'll be able to address the situation. Huge infrastructures are being created through JJM project. As you have said, pipes are already there, waters are not there. What is the reason? This DSWM, DWSM will monitor, find out what are the issues there. If pipes are there, why waters are not there? Whether it's a source issue, that also we are, instructed the districts to find out what are the measures of that source issues, or else what is the reason why the pipes waters are not there. Probably it's not because caring was not there. Probably caring was already given to the PWSCs, but then they are reluctant to take over the project. That is the reason why things are not working well. So these are the issues which will be looked after by the DWSM. DC himself will be monitoring, and then we hope that after participation of the district officials there, we'll be able to give the functional household tap connection.
This DWSM is already formed.
Already formed. It's been there long back also, but then now Government of India has mandated the district DWSM to strictly monitor the projects there.